I've been in it since I was a kid. Been around it since I was a kid. Street racing since I probably was about 20. I guess it's just in my blood. Following my dad and them around and going with my uncles, going watch them race and just kind of got intrigued with it.
It's a rush. You free. You going down the track and you free. It's like it's just you in the car. And for that 5 seconds, you're the only person in that world.
My first day, I started Cinco de Mayo, 1999. This was my first day at Mustang. I've been an engine tech over 23 years. Love it. Because it challenged me. When I was younger, my dad worked on cars, and I'd be around him. And then I asked my dad, I say, "You teach me how to work on the car?" He said, "All you gotta do is come out here." He said, "You gotta wanna do it." So I started going out there, and I stayed out there with him ever since. I found out that I excelled at something because I was really interested. Made me who I am today.
Stebo, one of the best dudes I know. Nothing like working with your brother, working with your family. My father died when I was real young. Stebo became that father figure, and I could look up to him and count on him. He's my best friend, my co-worker, my boss. He's just a good mentor for me.
Ed's actually my brother. Coerced him to come over to Mustang, which me and my brother works on race cars all the time together. I can trust him. I respect him a lot, and he makes it real easy on me because he's a very good technician.
I just tell him I love him. You know, I think he knows what he means to me, but I tell him I love him.
This guy's
Stebo. But I'm working on it.
I would say Mustang's like a family because they actually care. I love engines, so I claim myself as an engine guy. I build my own engines. The two kind of came together with what I do for a living and what I do for fun. We have a group that I race with that we call Bloodline Racing, but I'm mainly what they call, I guess, a match racer, but in some terms they call it a grudge racer. This is my bloodline family. And like I say, I speak on family, but this is my bloodline family. This is Michael, Derek, Squirt, and Top. We all go by, like Stebo, we go by a lot of nicknames. And somehow I know we connected through cars and through friends and family and stuff like that. But a lot of they're part of the bloodline family. We call the car Bad Breed. It's a different breed. It's a 1985 El Camino Chevrolet with a 5.0 Ford motor in it. When people ask me, they ask me why I did it, and I told them I can show them better than I can tell them. All you gotta do is get on side of it. Only thing about it, ain't got no AC. Yeah, hot, quick. Tonight is what they call a test session. So it's a bunch of bad cars that's getting ready for races that they're going to all over the place. And we all do them all at the track. You know, we don't race, I don't race on the street no more. Yeah, when I was younger, and we raced all over Houston. A long time ago, my stepdad told me he was gonna build me a race car when I got bigger, but unfortunately he passed away before that time. And I told my mom, I said, he really did. I said, he taught me everything he taught me. That's what I used to build them. I say, everything he taught me, the steps and everything I use, his method. That's how I build my cars. And the reason I call him my dad, because he is the man that raised me and sacrificed and did everything. Ed is a junior. He's Echo Walker's junior. He's named after my stepfather. So everything that his dad gave me made me feel so fortunate. I wanted him to experience. So I took him fishing. I take him out there with the cars. I taught him what our dad taught me. And so I tell people I feel really, really fortunate.
Bloodline racing.
Bloodline racing. What's bloodline?
Family.
The man.
Family. We got to ride with the team. I just suck you in, you bloodlined in.
When you say family come, everybody supports.
There's an engine, and it's from this side of town. There's about a 90% chance they know Stebo. His passion is getting under an engine.
Yeah.
party time, man. Party time.
I already feel like I'm rich right now. I do what I love to do, the field I love to work in. My family and friends are very supportive. And I thought about my grandfather, my dad, my biological father. I thought about my uncles, my brothers, and everybody my mom had put into me what made me me, made me think like I think, and made me do like I do. And so I decided to call it bloodline racing.